linear inequalities. So let's begin. Before starting basic exercise, I would like to recall you some main points. So let's start. Inequalities are expressed by these four symbols. These four symbols represent inequalities. All right. You must remember these symbols and their names very clearly. So this symbol is called greater than. This symbol that is resemble with 7 is called greater than. Alright. This symbol that resemble with L is called less than. Alright. This is not L, but resemble with L is called less than. Resemble with 7 is called greater than. And this symbol with underline it represents, this is known as greater than or equals to. This symbol and line underneath is called greater than or equals to. Next, this symbol is called less than or equals to. Less than and equals to is called this symbol. Alright. I hope it's clear. The symbol just resemble with 7 is called greater than. The symbol that resemble with L is called less than. The line underneath of it is called greater than and equals to. And line draw underneath the less than or equals to. I hope it's clear. For example, they have given you example number 1. Ax less than b. Alright. Ax plus b greater than and equals to c. Or you can say that, not here, you can say that here. Ax plus b greater than c. Ax plus by greater than and equal to c. Ax plus by less than or equal to c. In this linear equation, as you know, what is variable here? X. What is variable here? X. What is variable here? X and y. What is variable here? X and y. Alright. What is constant here? What is constant here? B. What is constant here? B and C. What is constant here? B and C. Only C here. Alright. So the main point is this. These all are known as inequalities. Alright. And inequality number 1 and 2 are in one variable inequality. Because Ax less than B, Ax plus B greater than C. So these both points have one variable, that is X. Alright. Otherwise B and C all are constant. Whereas in linear equation 3 and 4, Ax plus By greater than or equal to C, Ax plus By less than or equal to C are known as inequalities or in two variables, that is X and Y. X and Y. Alright. So what we have learned that Ax in these inequalities may be of one variable, inequalities or may be of two variables. Alright, Ax plus now points to remember. The following equations will not affect the order of inequality while changing it into simpler equivalent form. When we going to solve such inequalities, these symbols orders will not change. Number 1. Number 2 point. For example, adding or subtracting a constant to each side of it. We will solve it. We can easily solve it by adding or subtracting any constant here. You will learn when you will solve example. Just right now, let's just remember the points. What is it? Adding or subtracting a constant to each side of it. Number 2, multiplying or dividing each side by a positive constant. Whenever we solve such inequalities, we can easily multiply or divide both sides by positive constant. 1 point. Number 2 point, adding or subtracting a constant to each side of it. We can add or we can subtract constant on both sides of it. So this is the main points. You just learn these points. We will do example. You will learn more clearly. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with me and follow and understood with the example. All right. Till then, take care. Bye. By using this example, so let's begin. Find solution of 2 by 3 x minus 1 less than 0 and also represent on a real line. First, you have to solve this inequality and also represent on real line. Alright, so let's begin. Just simple question. Forget this is less than sign or greater than sign. Solve just a normal linear equation. All right. Solution: 2 by 3 x minus 1 less than 0. Next step: 2 by 3 x will remain same. Less than will remain same. 0 plus 1. Any confusion? Just solve like a normal linear equation. Forget about this sign. So this minus 1 is separating here, and in next step this will add on the other side. So 2 by 3 x less than 1. Now 3 is multiplying here, but after moving towards right side it will multiply. 2x less than 3 ones are 3. Any confusion here? I hope not. Now again we need to remove this 2 here, as 2 is multiplying here. After equals to, it will yes, you are right, divide. X less than 3 by 2. Answer. Any confusion? I hope not. So by you will write in the answer. It means that all real numbers, it means that all real numbers, what is it, less than 3 by 2, less than 3 by 2 in the solution. Alright, what we conclude that all real numbers are less than 3 by 2. Now in the next step we have to represent this on the numbered line. Now we go to represent this number on the number line. You just draw a line that's called real line. It's very difficult for me to just wait. Just wait. I hope so. So this is the line. This is the center point. Now I have to represent this 3 by 2 on the number line. It's very simple, very easy. As you know, what is the meaning of 3 by 2? What is the meaning of 3 by 2? Just divide 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2. What is left? 2 ones are 2, 1. Then add 0.0 to 5s are 10. So what we get? 1.5. So it must be half. This is called 1, this is called 2, this is called 3, up to so on. Up to so on means no end. Whenever we represent a real line, there is no end of it. So this could be up to infinity. This is a symbol of infinity. Infinity means no end, no limit. Alright? And here it is, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, up to negative infinity. This is on positive infinity, this is on negative infinity, up to no limit. Alright, so we are going to represent 3 by 2, so it must be lie, it's a 1.5, it must be lie between 1 and 2, it must be half of it, you can say that 1.5, it must be lie here, not half, 1.5, so it must be here 3 by 2, x equals to 3 by 2. Any problem here? I hope not. But now we have found this simple procedure, you easily solve the inequality, and also you can represent on the number line. I hope it's clear. I will explain this in detail in my next lecture. So follow my channel and like and subscribe my channel to understand more about inequalities. Till then, take care, bye.